These mills are designed to turn fruits, vegetables, and meats into a smooth and consistent texture, making it easier for your baby to transition to solid foods. There are many products available to choose baby food mills, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best baby food mills from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Groenzy Baby Food Maker. The Baby Food Maker is an all-in-one puree blender, steamer, and grinder that makes meal prep a breeze for busy parents. With its LCD display and auto cooking and grinding features, this BPA-free machine creates healthy and delicious baby food with ease. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and transport, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Whether you're a new parent or a seasoned pro, the Baby Food Maker is a must-have for any household. Number 2. Baby Food Maker Chopper Grinder. The Baby Food Maker Chopper Grinder is an 8-in-1 processor designed specifically for toddlers. It can steam, blend, chop, disinfect, and clean, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. The touch control panel and auto shut-off feature make it easy to use and safe for busy parents. The 20-Oz Triton stirring cup is durable and perfect for making large batches of baby food. This product is a great investment for parents who want to ensure their baby is getting healthy and nutritious meals. Number 3. Mommyzee Baby Food Maker. The Mommyzee Baby Food Maker is a versatile and efficient tool for busy parents looking to make healthy and nutritious meals for their little ones. This all-in-one machine can steam, cook, blend, and warm bottles, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The auto cooking and grinding feature ensures consistent results every time, while the compact size and easy-to-clean design make it a practical choice for parents on the go. Whether you're pureeing fruits and veggies or warming up milk, the Mommyzee Baby Food Maker is a reliable and convenient choice. Number 4. Baby Food Processor Maker Steamer. The Baby Food Processor Maker Steamer and Blender is a must-have for busy parents who want to provide healthy and delicious food for their little ones. This multifunctional machine can steam, puree, and grind food, making it easy to prepare nutritious meals for your baby. With its touch control panel and auto cooking and shut-off features, this food processor is incredibly user-friendly. It also comes with defrost and steaming baby food mills and containers, so you can easily store and serve your homemade baby food. This product is the perfect solution for parents who want to save time and money while providing the best possible food for their babies. Number 5. Smart Control Multifunctional Steamer Grind. The Baby Food Maker is a versatile and convenient 5-in-1 baby food processor. With its Smart Control multifunctional steamer and grinder, you can easily steam, cook, and grind fresh fruits, vegetables, and meats for your little one. The auto cooking and grinding feature makes meal preparation a breeze, while the included steam pot and baby food warmer mills machine ensure that your baby's food stays warm and fresh. This compact and lightweight yellow machine is a must-have for busy parents who want to provide healthy and homemade meals for their baby. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.